Hey guys, how's it going? It's Soundkiller, and today I'm going to show you guys and unbox the Synido TempoKEY. A few months ago, you guys might remember that I unboxed and I showed you guys the Synido Tempo Pad. It is an amazing, affordable beat pad that you can use to create some really awesome drum loops, and it's really portable and really versatile for music production. I really enjoyed it, I really recommended it, and I do believe it's a fantastic, high quality, affordable beat pad for budget studio builds. It's really affordable, you can get it on Amazon. It's a really sturdy, it's a really powerful, and it works really easily and really simple right off the box. All you have to do is plug it in, download the software, and it's ready to go into any DAW that you use. Well, today I'm going to show you something that's even more awesome because this is the TempoKEY25. So this is Synido's newest product, and what this is a 25 key MIDI controller. It's meant to compete with the Akai 25, the Complete A25, and those small factor keyboards. And so, let's open the box and see what's inside. And I do want to apologize because the box looks a little bit rough. It's not Synido's fault. The mailing service here, sometimes it's a bit bad. But once we open the box, as good Synido fashion, we have a really high quality box or a really nice portable carrying case, which inside has a TempoKEY Pad 25. And so we have a really nice carrying strap here for your backpack. And then if we open up here, and inside here, we have a neatly packaged, and this is a really thick backpack, so it's just really safe for you to carry your MIDI controller anywhere. It's really has a really thick foam, so it's really secure in there. And we have this beautiful packaging here. I really like this plastic that they use. It feels so premium, feels super high quality, which is something that is very distinctive of Synido. Even though it's budget-friendly alternatives for music production tools, they are very sturdy, they are very high quality. And as you guys can see here, they sent me out their purple version of their MIDI controller. It looks fantastic in person. It has sort of a very retro style theme. So if you guys remember, I'm pretty old. It reminds me of the old Game Boys, like the purple Game Boys that they used to have. And here it is, the TempoKEY25. A really awesome feeling keyboard. Has some really nice velocity sensitivity. So you can play really hard on the keys or really soft, and it's very, very expressive. It has a really sensitive key bed here. And it has some really great controls here. So for example, we have the drum pad here. You can also change the octaves here very easily, pressing the octave buttons here. So you can go up and down the octaves. I can change the transpose. So for example, if I want to play F instead of C while pressing the C key, and something really awesome that you can do with these small little MIDI controllers, and this applies to pretty much any MIDI controller as far as I know, is that you can go and have, for example, a really cool pad playing here in the root note. And then go up 2 octaves. And really be expressive and really play a lot with this while holding down that note in the bottom, so you can really change the octave. And create some really cinematic soundscapes just with this small little 25 key MIDI controller. And not only that, but you have these cool little macros here. And these macros won't work right out of the box here in FL Studio or most DAWs because they are mini macros, so they have to be routed. So you can just move these 4 macros here in my DAW. And now my 4 knobs up here are gonna completely change the sound. It's really awesome. You can also control here the mod wheel just by dragging here on these strips, and it's very comfortable, it's very sturdy, everything feels so nice and tight, so I barely have any key wobble, and especially on the pads. The pads are super firm, and I'm really impressed because they're definitely an improvement from the old Tempo pad. So this Tempo key really does improve with the pads and the knobs and the feel from the already great Synido Tempo pad to an even better Tempo key. It's really impressive, and there's so many features. You have here a nice little OLED display so you can see the value that you're adjusting here. You can see the octave when you change transpositions. You have your transport controls here so you can play, pause, record, move up and down. And of course you have to program these in your DAWs, but it's super easy. There's a bunch of tutorials on how to do that. So this is definitely recommended for all of you guys that need a small, portable, versatile MIDI controller. This is definitely the one to choose for that. So if you want to ask any questions or want to learn more, I'm always checking the comments, so feel free to go down below, leave your thoughts and opinions, or ask any questions you might have. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you Synido for giving us a chance to check out the TempoKEY25, a fantastic MIDI controller. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I know you guys are enjoying the content that I'm making. This was Soundkiller, and I'll see you in the next one.